Let's talk about asking for what you want. Before you can ask for what you want, you must first know what you want. Know the pros and cons, the good and bad, and what is in it for the audience. Even though you are doing the asking, put yourself in the person's shoes. What is in it for them? Yes, sometimes life is filled with surprises and opportunities are given to you based on past performance at work or the potential that your leader sees in you. But more often than not, you must ask. And do not simply ask with uncertainty or fear. Ask with confidence. Will you have insecurities or doubts? Sure. It is normal. After all, we all are human. Push it aside and ask. Rather, do not ask. Tell us what you need.